Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Wipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn on hotspot. Open setting, scroll down, click on network and internet, click on hotspot and tethering and turn on this button. After turning on this button, then hotspot will be turned on from your phone. Now go back. After that, check internet. After check internet, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, scroll down, click on reset device settings, and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix mobile hotspot not working in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.